1, 2, 3, Hey, what's up YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Destiny's song by Phora. Okay, not very hard at all. We just gotta put a capo on 1, 2, 3, please. We got 3 chords that's looping. Got an A minor, first finger, second finger, third finger. To G major, but we want to play this G without the third, so just third finger and mute the A string. We don't need the A string, and we don't need any top notes. Okay, and then we have actually a bar chord. We have an F major bar chord. So first finger, third, fourth, and a second. Okay, so that's the chords, but it's a way to pick this to get the right notes. So we want to pick A string, G string, and B string for the A minor to get the right notes, and then we want to pick the low E, G, and B string. So we got, and then for the F we want to pick low E string and D and G string. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to G. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, F, G, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. I love this groove. It might be a little slower than this. Need a pick for the song, but I always keep my pick right there. 2, 3, 4. You never know when you need it. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. There it is, Destiny's song. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs. Be safe.